Hi, my name is Swapnil, and my question circles around two things that Vishal said. One is that we are an amalgamation of what media we consume, and second is that infinite loop that what we consume and what is shown in the society. So I would like to use a statement that what is getting sold today is what the audience wants to consume. But on the contrary, what we are discussing on the dais is quite mature for the audience to absorb. So what can be done at a subconscious level to make our audience mature? And by audience, I do not mean this room because this is quite a, I'm talking about the whole of India. So expecting the audience to do critical thinking is something not right, because critical thinking is something that the MBA graduates don't do after that degree. So we cannot expect that to do from the whole of India. And so what can be done at that subconscious level that the audience starts consuming the right content?
So I get what you're trying to say. We are using extremely complicated language and, these big terms, and how do we simplify it? And I'm going to let Ashish and Mayura take this first, and then we'll come.
I think we all have a lot to say. But the thing, this is what we fight against. This thing of dumbing down everything. Are yaar, make it simple. So when you're writing an Indian male character, it's a Kapoor or a Anand or a Sharma. That's the easiest thing you'll reach for. You'll easily reach for the first 10 names that come to you. So we're constantly told, make it simple. I had many years in advertising where it was all about the lowest common denominator. कि ये कमरे में सबको कुछ अच्छा लगना चाहिए. How is that possible in a country like India? How do we maintain what Bao was saying, like this hegemonic giant that we have? How do we, show diversity? And you're right. People don't want to watch content. Like I got told, nobody wants to watch your queer series. Put one queer character in a show, we'd love to watch that. Right? So it is a struggle that all of us do have, and all of us do, I think, negotiate in our own ways. Right? So you try to balance out the art and the commerce as well in whatever you do. You try to put out texts, whether it's through art or through film or through whatever your medium might be of expression. You do try to put out things which hopefully just open up some awareness and raise some questions. Like, I think Lapata Ladies is a great example. It is a very, all India has loved this film, like 12th Fail. There's a lot of progressive ideas in the film about women, about gender, about education, etc., empowerment, etc., etc. And it's done in a very sweet, lovely, kind of mainstream kind of way. So I think it is happening, but I think also as what should I say, as media makers, all of us, or writers or artists or whatever, we all also hope that you will start opening your mind up as much as possible with all the conversations going on.
Correct. Mayura.
I actually believing that the mass audience doesn't understand things or want it simple is a wrong belief. That's what I'll say with confirmation, because see, what we get, we have been watching same things, growing up, same things. The recent Oxfam News Laundry report 2022 says that 90% of the media is owned by upper caste, upper class. So clearly, we have been watching same type of stories. See, we come up with our lived experiences, like you said in your first answer. So, एक ही जैसी चीजें बन रही हैं, and बस we have find our comfort zone in that. But in 2020, since we run our organization which works on media literacy, we went to people, we went to the communities, we went to the universities, we went to NGOs, we met activists, teachers, and like even small kids. And then we realized it's not like that they want things simple. Why YouTube is being preferred more, why content creators from the margins are more liked. There are many content creators who are construction workers, and look at not just their followers, of course the type of content, not just reach also. The type of content also they are making. I'm not just saying the lip sync content only, or like just dancing and singing. What they are saying also, it's very different and people are liking it. So it's not like people are used to and they just want simple things. They are craving for new things. So what we got to know from the communities when we went, I'll just point out. When we went to the communities, we saw that hunger in the mass audiences, that they want new things and they are appreciating. Initially, thoda disturb hota hai, kuch naya hai to, like people who have not eaten a new dish, pehli baar khayenge, thoda gadbad lagega. But that's okay, that's natural, normal, and we must appreciate, and of course, we must appreciate the different content, and we must talk more about such films which are good and less about films like Animal or Kabir Singh, because promoting the content which is correct is very, very much needed, and people will like it if we talk about it.
I'll be really quick because I know the time is up, but also education systems. I think like currently we're talking about just films and adults. I think that these conversations needs to start happening from kids, so when they grow up, this content is not too much for them. Growing up, when I was in Canada, in grade 6, we started talking about gender and sex ed. But in India, that's not the case. So if there is certain kind of education that can be led from the kids, since the kids are small, till they grow up, this question wouldn't arise in the future. Thank you.
All right.